Learning how to use a turkey box call is quick and simple. First thing you need to do is chalk your box really well. There are 3 basic calls that'll get you starting: purring, clucking, and yelping. No particular order. I'll show you how you do them. First call is a purr, and here you go right here, just slight pressure. Next call is clucking. You want to grab hold of your paddle, put firm pressure on it down, and you want to pop it up like this. All right, the last one is yelping, and if you don't learn any other call, you can use this right here and get by with turkey hunting. Here it is right here. You can really bear down on it too and really reach out there if you want. With a little practice, you could be talking turkey in no time.